This is PARTZSCH. This is PARTZSCH. This is PARTZSCH. And this is PARTZSCH too. Whether with tiny precision parts or high-performance generators with outputs up to 8 megawatts, we keep things turning for your company. As a member of the PARTZSCH Group, our business is built upon fast and reliable work processes and expert advice. Since its founding in 2012, the company has grown to over 90 employees and occupies more than 7,500 square meters of production space.
Delivery in 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
You can now learn more about the 4 business segments which make up PARTZSCH Elektromaschinenbau GmbH. Our gearless wind power generators are manufactured as one-supplier projects, starting with the core stack and continuing through winding, impregnation, testing, and packaging.
Scan process completed.
The dimensions of our hulls and load-bearing capacities of our crane systems are matched to the dimensions of the generators and the exceptional demands placed on us by our customers. Our newest business segment emerged after the acquisition of Swiss Traction Germany GmbH, which was integrated into our company in 2017 and has seen constant further development ever since. The experience gained from manufacturing over 8,000 drives certainly pays off. Our lift drives, from the compact Mini Class Z18X to the high-load Bison Class Z62X, stand out with energy-efficient performance and low-maintenance operation. These gearless lift drives are in use all over the world, transporting personnel and goods to heights of up to 65 meters.
Scan process completed.
Under the heading of General Engineering, we manufacture precision components of all sizes. With a focus on electrical engineering, we machine and supply, for example, motor housings, welded assemblies, rotors, machine beds, machine columns, and crossbeams. Individual technical solutions and customer-specific designs are developed at our modern CAD workstations. The necessary high standards are subject to the permanent monitoring of our quality assurance department.
Scan process completed.
Rotation and precision are likewise the key words for our textile machinery section. Here we manufacture small, medium, and large series of the most varied spindles for ring spinning and twisting machines. With our long-standing experience, we are able to offer first-class products with an excellent price-performance ratio. One thing unites all 4 business segments.
All products are ready for delivery.
Ultimate quality through expertise and precision. In this way, we can guarantee reliable and fast deliveries.
Job erledigt.
Our managing director, Christian Partzsch, vouches for that with his name.